Neville Chamberlain as British Prime Minister from 1937 to 1940. Neville Chamberlain was a prominent world power in the beginning of World War II. Chamberlain became Prime Minister in 1937 when he was 68 years old. Chamberlain was conservative. He supported trade and foreign policy. He sought to appease the Nazis in their efforts to expand trade through less powerful nations in Europe. Chamberlain soon learned that Hitler wanted more than trade expansion in other countries, and that Hitler made plans to invade. In late 1938, Hitler focused on taking over Sudetenland in Czechoslovakia. Unfortunately, Britain could not provide much assistance to Czechoslovakia in case they were invaded. Germany announced that it would invade Sudetenland on September 25th, and Chamberlain wished to negotiate it with Hitler to prevent war from breaking out. Chamberlain and Hitler negotiated that Sudetenland would be annexed if Czechoslovakia agreed. Czechoslovakia did agree under tremendous pressure, and soon after, their government fell. In September 1938, a summit was held in Munich of the major European powers to discuss foreign policy. At the summit, Hitler proposed invading Czechoslovakia on October 1st. England strongly opposed this decision, and eventually an agreement was made that Czechoslovakia would not be invaded. Shortly after his return from the summit, Chamberlain gave his most famous speech, proclaiming that it was peace for our time. Chamberlain announced that it was a time for peace in England. After several German invasions in early 1939, Chamberlain urged Hitler to stop, as well as increasing the size of the armed forces. Chamberlain feared that Hitler would invade more countries, and he would be blamed for helping Germany too much. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union and Germany were communicating on an ownership of Poland, and agreed to a deal that would prevent them from aggression towards each other. Chamberlain, when he found out this deal was being made, immediately sent a letter to Hitler telling him that war would be declared if Hitler invaded Poland. In 1939, Britain declared war on Germany. After war had begun, Chamberlain was concerned that he would not be a leader during war. His decision to give too much power to Germany was his downfall. Chamberlain resigned in early 1940 and was replaced by Winston Churchill, who led Britain through the rest of the war. Chamberlain died on November 9, 1940, at age 71.